just want to highlight to you in terms of Xero. So obviously, when it comes to invoicing, it's very, very easy. So for example, if you wanted to create a new invoice, you can simply enter the information here. So let's say I'm invoicing myself. You can enter a date, a due date, a reference, a description, quantity, unit price, and you can see here that it's already pre-populated the sales account because it's an invoice. Once I select approve, what I then can do is I can email it straight away to my customer. I can convert it to PDF, and I can also attach documents as you saw previously.